Hello everyone, first of all let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this picture. Today I'm going to make the decoration, the table decoration like this with the material I have. Includes our new table fabric and lace fabric. Also with our flower. Very easy. Now let's go. Okay, first of all we need to put on our tablecloth. The tablecloth, today's tutorial, I will use two types of fabric. First of all, this fabric. This fabric, very soft. Look at this. Not thin, but not thick also. I think it's very suitable for the to make as tablecloth. We have different colors. Just spread it, and we customize the size. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the fabric on the table. Check the fabric. You can see a little wrinkle because before I used to take this video, I washed the fabric, and this is the come out after I wash. So, on my opinion, this fabric not easy to be wrinkled, and it will be pressed flat. So, I like this fabric. This fabric will be very suitable to use as a tablecloth. Okay, then the next step, I will use another fabric. I call it lace fabric. Lace. Let's check it. This is not high quality fabric, but very suitable to use at wedding decoration because the price is good. Okay, I will use this fabric and put it at the front of the table as the inspirational picture. Okay, look, this is the effect. And then we will make some ruffle the lace. So, I will use the iron clip to firm the fabric on the table. Be careful of the welcome. You can place a fabric here because this side of welcome would hurt the fabric. Put a fabric on it will be better. Okay, then let's make the ruffle. I will use this. Use it like this. Fold the fabric. And then use what's this? Like this. That will be okay. Okay, the next one, fold it. And then, since I do not have enough clip, I name it clip. Okay. Hey, look, I make several of this like this on the table, and on the other end I use the clip to fix from the table. Okay, look, this is the effect. The come out will be much more pretty, right? Okay then, the next step, let's tie our flower foam chain on the at the front of the table. Okay, before we tie the foam chain, we need to add the iron clip to hold the fabric. Because after you put on the flower or everything here, we need a clip to hold the fabric on the table so it will not be dropped off. Like this. Look, this is our foam chain. But because the space between two of the foam will be a little more large, so I would like to shorten the space by using a trace wire. Okay, shorten the space like this. The space before we shorten and the space before after we tie with the trace wire. Look, I would like the space much more close to each other. Okay, let's put it on the table. Okay, the next step, we need to fix the foam chain on the table. You can use this clip like this to clip it. Keep the foam, the net on the fabric. That will be okay. But since I do not have enough clip on hand, so I will direct use the iron clip. Insert it like this. Push it. That will be okay. So I will use, you can use a lot of these iron clips to keep them on the table. Okay, look, this is the effect after I tie the foam chain on the table. And okay, look, clip with the iron clip and use this, and at the end of the table I use a string to tie the chain on the iron clip. Okay, and also clip it along the fabric to drag it to the floor like this. And also I have another tutorial to use my flower support wire. Look, this is our flower support wire. Using this wire to make the decoration like this on the table. If you are interested, you can click here to watch the tutorial. The difference of using different material, because using the floral foam could make the flower decoration much more wider and larger. But using this support wire to make the flower runner, you can pre-make the decoration and then just tie on the table will be okay. Two material is good. Just pick what you want will be okay. Okay, the next step will be very simple. Just put our stones, soft stone, to put on our flower head and insert it on the flower foam. If you want the decoration larger, you can use longer stem, but I think short stem was quite enough. Also the leaf, put it on the floral foam will be okay. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. After we put on all the flower around the foam tray, around the table, this is the come out. Let's check it. Because my table is not wide enough, if for the wedding table or event table, it will be wider. So the come out will be much more pretty. Put some candle and candle holder behind the flower on the table. The come out will be much more gorgeous. Okay, let's check our flowers. Also, this is the table, our lace fabric. The leaf, our flower, top flower, difference of the leaf. Hydrangea, small hydrangea, and phoenix, large phoenix, and small phoenix. Different rows, hydrangea, and different leaf. Okay. For your information, we supply all material used on our video, includes the flower, leaf, fabric. Okay, put some candle here. The come out will be much more pretty. Okay, look. This is today's tutorial. It's very simple. Hope you like it. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.